Sometimes the fastest way to reclaim your weekends is to hand off the chores, and that's exactly what robotic pool cleaners are made for. In this video, we've rounded up 6 of the best robotic pool cleaners of 2025, from smart app-controlled giants to affordable cordless models that get the job done quietly. Whether you've got a small above-ground pool or a massive in-ground setup, we've got something for you. All the links to these pool cleaners are in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 6. Aiper Seagull Southeast. If you're not quite ready to spend top dollar on a pool robot, but still want clean, debris-free water, the Aiper Seagull Southeast might just be your perfect match. This cordless little powerhouse is made for small in-ground or above-ground pools. With a 90-minute runtime, it's got just enough juice to clean the average residential pool floor without ever needing a cable or hose. That means zero tangles, zero setup frustration, just drop it in and walk away. The dual motor system paired with an independent brush handles leaves, sand, and bugs with ease. And when the battery starts running low, it smartly parks itself near the pool's edge so you can retrieve it without diving in. Weighing just 6.6 pounds, it's one of the lightest pool bots out there, super easy to lift, carry, or store. No app, no schedule settings, no learning curve, just simple, effective cleaning. Now it's not for everyone. It doesn't climb walls, and it's not made for larger pools or heavy-duty debris like acorns or big leaf piles. But for day-to-day cleaning, especially in smaller pools, it's a quiet workhorse. If you're testing the waters with robotic pool cleaners and want something affordable that actually works, this is the one to start with. Number 5. Dolphin Explorer E50. If you're looking to upgrade from a basic pool cleaner without diving into premium pricing, the Dolphin Explorer E50 is a sweet spot, especially for mid-sized pools. This robot doesn't just sweep the floor, it cleans your pool walls and actively scrubs the waterline. That alone puts it a level above most budget bots. And with Dolphin's clever scanning system, it actually maps your pool to clean in a more efficient pattern, avoiding the random zigzagging some older models are known for. You get a full 2-hour cleaning cycle, a top-loading filter basket for easy rinsing, and a build that feels durable and thoughtfully designed. We especially like how well it handled fine particles. Sand, pollen, and tiny bits that usually get missed were noticeably gone after a single cycle. Now it doesn't have Wi-Fi or app control, so there's no scheduling or remote start. And it's a bit heavier than cordless units, especially after a cleaning session when it's full of water. But that's the trade-off for stronger motors and better suction. If you can live without smart features but still want serious cleaning power that reaches every inch of your pool walls, the Explorer E50 is hands down one of the best bots under $1,000. Number 4. Aiper Scuba S1 Cordless. If you've been waiting for a pool cleaner that combines cordless freedom with real smart features, the Aiper Scuba S1 might be the one to beat in 2025. First off, the runtime is impressive, minus 150 minutes on a full charge, which is currently one of the best in its class. That's more than enough to clean even larger pools in a single go. And thanks to its WayPath intelligent navigation, the Scuba S1 doesn't just roam randomly. It charts a more structured cleaning path, reducing overlap and saving battery life. What makes it stand out even more is its dual-layer filtration system. One filter handles larger debris like leaves, while the other captures fine dust and sand. It's a small touch, but it results in visibly clearer water after a single use. You also get app connectivity for scheduling, monitoring battery life, and manual mode if you want to redirect it. The design is sleek and modern, with a low-profile body that glides effortlessly across the floor. It's not perfect. Wall climbing isn't as aggressive as the higher-end Dolphin models, and charging can take a few hours. But for a cordless robot with app control, powerful suction, and smart mapping, this is Aiper at its absolute best. If you want a cleaner that's modern, minimal hassle, and extremely capable, the Scuba S1 checks all the boxes. Number 3. Dolphin Nautilus CC+. Some pool cleaners try to wow you with fancy apps and flashy features, but the Dolphin Nautilus CC+ sticks to what matters: getting the job done and doing it well over and over again. Designed for pools up to 50 feet, this robotic cleaner handles both floors and walls with ease. It uses dual scrubbing brushes that tackle everything from algae to fine dirt to larger leaves, and its smart scanning system ensures full coverage without wasting time or power. One of the best parts? It's plug-and-play simple. No apps, no Wi-Fi, no learning curve. Just drop it in, let it run its 2-hour cycle, and come back to a noticeably cleaner pool. The top-loading filters make cleaning out debris a breeze, and the tangle-free swivel cable means you're not constantly untwisting cords after each use. And despite the lack of wireless features, users consistently praise it for its rugged reliability and consistent performance, season after season. Now, it doesn't clean the water line, and there's no remote control or mobile scheduling. But for many, that's a fair trade-off for a robot that's this dependable. If you value consistency, minimal maintenance, and long-term reliability over smart gadgets, the Nautilus CC Plus is a proven favorite, and it's earned that title for a reason. Number 2. Polaris VRX IQ Plus. If you're the kind of person who wants your pool robot to be as smart as your smartphone, the Polaris VRX IQ Plus is going to blow you away. This is one of the most advanced robotic pool cleaners on the market. Wi-Fi enabled, fully app controlled, and packed with features that feel straight out of the future. Through the iEquilinker app, you can schedule cleanings, check cleaning status, choose between modes like quick clean or deep clean, and even receive alerts when the debris canister is full. Under the hood, the VRX IQ Plus uses four-wheel drive and smart sensor navigation to adapt to your pool's shape and surface, delivering thorough coverage every time. It tackles floors, walls, and the waterline with ease, leaving no spot untouched. We really love the dirty canister alert and lift system, which raises the cleaner to the water's edge when you're ready to pull it out, saving your back and keeping things mess-free. That said, this is a premium machine with a premium price, and its canister isn't as large as some bag-style models like the Dolphin Premier. You may need to empty it more often if your pool gets heavy debris. But for tech-savvy users or anyone with a larger or uniquely shaped pool, the Polaris VRX IQ Plus delivers smart automation that's hard to beat. Number 1. Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you want the absolute best, and you're not afraid to invest in it, the Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner stands at the top of the 2025 pool cleaning pyramid. Built like a tank and designed for maximum filtration power, this cleaner is made for large or heavily used pools where average robots just don't cut it. What makes it special is the swappable filter media. You can switch between fine cartridges, ultra-fine filters, or an oversized debris bag depending on your pool's condition. Whether it's spring pollen, summer sand, or autumn leaves, this thing eats it all. Thanks to Hypergrip rubber tracks and twin motors, it stays firmly planted on any surface, even slick tile or vinyl. And with SmartNavim software, it doesn't waste time going over the same spot. It maps your pool and cleans with a level of precision that feels almost human. It also comes with a best-in-class 3-year warranty, which is a huge plus considering its price. Guess it's on the heavier side, and you'll definitely feel the weight when pulling it out full of water and debris, but that's the trade-off for raw cleaning muscle. If you want commercial-grade performance in a home setting and peace of mind knowing your pool is handled by one of the most capable bots on the market, the Dolphin Premier is simply unmatched. And that wraps up our list of the 6 best pool cleaner robots of 2025. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart home gear and gadget guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.